Hey guys, I have a quick mod that I want to do today because unfortunately the mod I had planned to come out this week, it turned out to be harder than I expected and I don't have that much time left. So I'm just going to make an Octagonal Barrel. That's a pretty easy mod and it's a good mod to get started with because all you have to do is cut and then fill the pieces. But anyway, let's get started with this mod. So first I got out a Sharpie and I used it to mark out the pieces. An octagonal barrel is basically a Fisher cube or a cylindrical barrel, and this is a common type of cut to make on the mod. And then after that was done, I took off the center caps and then I got out my drill and then I tightened up the faces so it wouldn't turn while cutting on the bandsaw. And this is also important for using a hacksaw too. And now you see it won't turn. I took the cube over to my bandsaw and I tilted the table on it to 45 degrees so I could make the cuts. I turned on the bandsaw and then I just cut the faces off just like you would expect. And this is what it looks like after it's done. I got out some Apoxie Sculpt and I mixed it together, and then I'm going to use it to fill the pieces. And stuff the pieces with some tissues to not use as much Apoxie Sculpt. Just make sure you use enough epoxy that you're not going to sand down to the tissues, just so you don't need to fill any other holes. After that's done, you could just sand down the faces on the belt sander until they're nice and flat. And it's a good idea to mix up the cube a few times, just to be completely sure that all the faces are going to line up correctly. And then now is a good time to remove the remaining stickers. That way it won't get in the way of the next step and painting. So take off a center cap and then disassemble the cube. And then what you're going to do is use some sandpaper to round over the edges of the pieces and also sand down the faces of them to make it really nice and smooth. And I also like to use Scotch-Brite to finish the pieces to give it a nice smooth feel. And here it is complete. I am pretty happy with how it turned out. And it was pretty easy to make, and I recommend you give this a try if you want to start modding, because all it requires is cutting off some of the off of the cubies and then filling and then sanding and then stickering it. And it was probably the easiest mod I've done for a long time. And I think it looks really cool. I like the 10 color scheme. It looks really nice on this puzzle, and it definitely looks much better than my old one. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link to it in the description. That one looked really terrible, and this one's much better, so I'm glad that I have this one. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a like, and I'll see you in my next video.